y'all, Casey here with the 8-Lug Circus coming to you from Shiner's Hollow. So we have Mega out in nature and we are going to be showcasing the Fobo Tire 2 Smart Bluetooth Tire Pressure Monitoring System. So let's get this open and see what all the fuss is about. So what we have is 4 tire pressure monitoring systems, and then we have 2 for Mega's inner tires because he's a dually. And then we have an extra for Mega's spare tire. So what we're going to do is I'm going to learn with you guys because I haven't opened this yet. And from the looks of it, it's not going to be exactly an easy open. Okay. So. La la la. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Enough with the funny stuff. Now, we have the instructions. Really easy, self-explanatory, very easy DIY. Woohoo! Okay, so this system goes in your truck. These bad boys go on your valve stems. Okay, so what we're going to do is I have an iPhone, so we are going to go to where I already have the app downloaded. It's on Google Play and the iOS store, so it's really easy. Turn on Bluetooth. There we go. Okay, so the next thing it says, and I'm reading the instructions just like everybody else. The in-car unit, which is this unit right here, to indicate the individual tire position status with red light, LED, and alert sounds. Let me get this out of the way. Now, you have 4 of the Fobo Tire 2 sensors to measure pressure and temperature in real time. So what they're saying is you will get alerts from here to here to here in real time. Now you can, it says to download the app to your phone. We've already done that. Ensure the Bluetooth and location services and internet connection on your smartphone are turned on, is on, or whatever. Open Fobo Tire 2 app, which mine is open. And sign in using your preferred email address or sign in using your Facebook or Google account. I've already done that. Allow all the permissions prompted by the app. Did that. Press the add button, which is right there, on the Fobo Tire 2 app homepage to start installation. Hit the floating add button and it tells you installation in car. Remove the cover and take out the battery tab. Let's long press on the side, which the instructions say. There we go. There's the light. Oh well, can y'all see it? There you go. Okay. Place the in-car close to this phone and press proceed below. At your vehicle, install 1 sensor at a time. Unscrew sensor cover front right, remove battery tab, screw back the sensor cover and screw sensor onto the tire valve front right. Continue with sensor rear right, rear left, and finally front left. So we've got these little goodies. Installation tools. Okay, so what you do is you take your valve stem cap off. Let me get this off. And just to be smart, when you take your valve stem cap off, put it in the place so you don't lose them. So you unscrew your Fobo sensor. Pull the tab out, which is going to pull the battery out with it. Hold on. There we go. Now, put the sensor back on, or put the sensor back together. Now, we got lock nuts with these. So, what you want to do, take the lock nut out. Now it says, screw on Fobo lock nut on the tire valve with the bump facing inward, which means it'll go in this way. So you screw that on. Now, put that on your tire sensor. Vehicle list, Mega's already under here. That's to let you know that your tire pressure is too low. By the magic of video, actually not much magic, it really didn't take very long. Unscrew Mega's last valve stem cap, put it on with this part, this lip right here, goes on first. So, finger tighten it down. Guys, don't grab your wrenches or nothing else, just finger tight. So, you unscrew like every other one that I've done so far. You unscrew it. Now, I learned this the hard way. You put your finger over the battery and pull that tab out, or else you're going to pull the battery out with it. You can see right here it says 2 notifications. So, the one I just put on is this one. Front left, front right, rear left, rear right. Now, we've got 2 spares for Mega's inside tires because he's a dually, but we're not going to put those on right now. We're going to get him into the shop, get the outside tires taken off, and then put his inside sensors on. So we'll have sensors on all 6 of his tires. They include these 2 tacky strips, which are Velcro. You can put one on your dash and one on your in-car unit. But since we're fixing to redo Mega's dash, I'm not going to permanently install this yet. But you can still install it anywhere. If you do have a truck like Mega, which is an 07 3rd gen Dodge Ram, it might be okay to install it up here next to the radio. Or you could go as far as installing it over here where it would sit. You could do it just about anywhere. We've got our iDrive down here. Anywhere where it's not going to be in the way, because I'll put it back over here. It's going to sit like that when you install it. So be mindful where you put it. You could put it right down here next to your 4-wheel drive. So, like I said, be mindful where you put it. You can put it just about anywhere as long as it's accessible. And that is the Fobo Tire 2 tire pressure monitoring system. Thank you all so much. And whether you're riding high or laying low, keep on trucking.
Yeah, get that later.